Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a list on the Everand application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. You just go to the lower bar, tap to the saved button, and in the upper side you can find the third option, the list. If you have any list, you can check that, but if you want to create one, just click to the create a list button at the upper left corner of the screen. You can add the title with that. You can set as a private, and if you finish, click to the create list button. So that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.